Wakey, wakey. Right, let's get ourselves awake looking. Pinchy pinch.
I'm never awake.
The cheeks are being pinched.
Wow, we look so fresh and awake. It's steady on. Hello, hello. Did we say welcome back? I always say welcome back. Hello, hello. That's weird. G'day. That's even weirder. Hello, everyone.
Hello, hello.
Greetings. Welcome back. Another day, another video.
So you're back for another daily video, and then today we are meant to be going to a very beautiful nature park. However,
Life gets in the way.
we're literally completely out of underwear.
Not just underwear. I don't know if anyone's noticed, but
We've been wearing the same clothes for a long time.
Yeah. So we gotta bite the bullet and kind of go and do some laundry. Yeah.
Yeah, you seen in a few days ago I mentioned how full our laundry bag was, and yeah, it's got even worse since then. So today we've got to do a bit of van admin, we've got to get our laundry done, we've got to top up our water. So we'll bring you guys along on that, and then in tomorrow's video, hopefully we'll be at this beautiful nature park.
Let's do this. As you know from our garage video, this is where we keep our laundry basket, and things just get thrown down to get put in it. Man, how many loads do we have to do, Keely?
Yeah, this is going to be a big wash. This is just the fact that we've worn all our clothes.
Does this need washed?
It's the one that's got boogers on its sleeve. Pick it up.
No. Still more stuff coming, Keely.
Right, okay. We don't need to put my dirty cacks on camera.
They're for our OnlyFans.
That's a big bag. I think that's the fullest that bag's ever been. Okay.
Check every other door.
Let's go.
Gotta constantly check. What's happening with your head?
The bun's gonna get fixed in a minute. Right now I'm holding these. I can't wrap and hold.
Yo! I can't wrap and hold.
I can. Yes, yeah, yo.
Looking pretty miserable today. We've definitely got some rain over there. So it's a perfect day for some laundry.
Oh, there's a big mirror. Hey guys, I haven't seen my full body in so long. Boom. Boom.
Look how long I am.
Is this what I look like?
So, what I can see, washing machines, dryers. Should we do 2 washes?
That's a lot of clothes. That's a lot.
Pants.
You do underwear to begin with.
So many pants.
I do this one.
We won! Jackpot, dude!
You're gliding.
So for context, it's like we just put a tenner in and it gives 50p.
Yeah, it's pretty similar context. Okay, so it says we need 30 kuna per wash, so we need 60 kunas for 1 and 2. So number 1, I'm gonna put in, what's this? Stag.
Always make sure that you put the money in the right machine, because if you're Keely, you'll put it in a random dryer and then we can't use it.
I just put a load of money in this machine and it started counting down and we can't even use it. But we let some other guy use our dryer because it's like, we can't use it, our clothes aren't wet yet. So while we watch the dryer money run out and wait for our clothes to wash, we're gonna go ahead to some little vegan spot we've seen and get ourselves a smoothie, a coffee.
Check this out. We got 2 smoothies.
They look so freaking good.
Guys, understand that we don't go out that often, so when the opportunity arises, you gotta just go for it, right?
If you see a vegan spot in the middle of some random little town, you're gonna go and support them.
This is like a chia one.
Yours
Chia
looks
and
so
berries, and this is a mango, coconut and stuff.
Yum.
Is it good?
Yeah, it tastes just like mango and coconut.
Wow, chia. Chia. Yeah, not the best washing machine and dryer that I've ever experienced, but hey, we got our washing done. That's all that matters. That will keep us going for another 6 to 8 weeks.
Yeah, we're going to have to probably hang them out. Some of them are still definitely a bit damp. We'll have to hang them out in the van, but it shouldn't be too bad. It started to rain here, so we can't hang anything outside. Let's just go get these bad boys hung up, put away, and
get some
get
water.
On with life, yeah.
So now that a big bag of laundry is done, we gotta go and get some water. So there is a church and a cemetery nearby that has a water tap.
Yeah, but like, we've never felt like, is it okay to go to a cemetery and just start filling up your water tanks? It seems a bit weird, but apparently like this is a totally normal thing for people to do. So we're gonna go check out, we'll fill them up and let you guys know, is it okay to do it at a church? We'll see what happens, go check it out. That's the tap right there, but obviously the van won't fit down here, so this guy's gonna go fill it up like a champ.
Anyway, here is the water tap. So yeah, just while that fills, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Do you think it's weird, or do you think it's like okay for you to stop and fill up at places like this? I think as long as you're discreet and respectful, I don't see what harm you're doing. You know, as long as you're not obnoxious or loud and weird.
Thanks, church. Bye.
We got water, baby.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay. Like we said back in the laundrette, some of the stuff's still wet, so I'm going to unpack it. Anything that's super wet, we're going to hang up on a little makeshift washing line we've got here. Then we'll pack our stuff and talk you guys through our storage a little bit.
Yeah, because this doesn't happen very often.
This is definitely the most laundry I think we've had on this trip. Underwear.
So, anybody that's contemplating living in a van, you gotta live with some harsh realities. This is what happens when it's raining outside and your clothes are still wet, so you gotta dry them somewhere.
I only have a couple things left on the line, so actually 99.5% of my stuff is currently in these packing cubes and ready to get pushed into this cupboard. Let's see my
Don't look at my cupboard.
game of Tetris type situation here.
So tell me, do you want to advocate for packing cubes?
Oh yeah, 100%. We've said this before in another video about packing cubes. They really are revolutionary. I genuinely think they're a total game changer in a van. I know lots of people like this rolly thing, but in my head, I'm like, I just like to be able to pull out. I know I need a t-shirt, yank it out, t-shirts, and then shove it back in. But each to their own. I'll put a link to the ones that we used down below, because the first batch we got were a bit dodge, but the ones we have now seem pretty good, so I'll link it for you. Clothes are drying, so we're just gonna have to leave you guys there and pick you up tomorrow. Hopefully the weather picks up because it's raining loads now, and sure, we'll see what we're up to in the morning.
As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.